Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will see AIMS Nursing Officer exam questions and their answers. Without any further delay, let's move on to the topic. A predisposing factor for oral cancer. The options are A. Tobacco use, B. Taking hot fluids, C. Taking cold fluids, and D. Taking spicy food. And the answer is option A. Tobacco use. Tobacco and alcohol use are the two of the strongest risk factors for oral cavity and oropharyngeal cancers. Next question. A patient is to be given phenytoin 100 mg orally at 6 pm, but he is having difficulty in swallowing capsules. The nurse should. The options are A. Open the capsule and sprinkle the powder in a cup of water. B. Insert a rectal suppository containing 100 mg of phenytoin. C. Administer 4 ml of phenytoin suspension containing 125 mg per 5 ml. Obtain a change in the prescribed administration route to follow IM administration. The correct answer is option C. Administer 4 ml of phenytoin suspension obtaining 125 mg per 5 ml. Let's see how it works. When a oral medication is available in a suspension form, the nurse can use it for clients who cannot swallow capsules. Use the desire over have formula to solve the problem. Decide 100 mg is equal to x ml. Have 125 mg is equal to 5 ml. So then we have to cross, that is 125 x is equal to 500. X is equal to 500 divided by 125. So x is equal to 4 ml. This is how we have to given 125 mg 4 ml. Let's see the other options also. Because a palatable suspension is available, it is a better alternative than opening the capsule. Option 2. The route of administration cannot be altered without the healthcare provider's approval. Intramuscular injection should be avoided because of risk for tissue injury and infection. So the absolute answer is option C. Administer 4 ml of 125 mg per 5 ml. Next. Most heat sensitive vaccine is. The options are A. Measles, B. DPT, C. OPV, and D. Hepatitis B. The most heat sensitive vaccine is option C. OPV, oral polio vaccine. Although all vaccines are sensitive to heat, some vaccines are more sensitive to heat than others. Polio vaccine is the most sensitive to heat, while the tetanus toxoid vaccine is the least sensitive. Copper T380 IUD should be replaced in. The options are A. 4 years, B. 6 years, C. 8 years, and D. 10 years. The correct answer is option D. 10 years. It should be replaced once in 10 years. Copper T380 IUD releases 15 micrograms of levonorgestrel per day in vivo, and it is effective for 7 to 10 years. So after that it should be replaced. In primary gravida, the time period of latent phase in partograph is about. Option A 4 hours, B 8 hours, C 12 hours, and D 16 hours. And the correct answer is option B 8 hours. Latent phase may last up to 8 hours, although it is usually completed more quickly than this. A patient about to undergo abdominal inspection is, is best placed in which of the following position? Option A, prone, B, Trendelenburg, C, supine, and D, side lying position. The answer is option C, supine position is best for abdominal inspection. Abdomen is inspected by positioning the patient supine on an examining table or bed. The head and knees should be supported with a small pillows or folded sheets for comfort and relax the abdominal wall muscle. A painless hematuria may be a sign of option A, renal stones, option B, urolithiasis, option C, cancer of bladder, and option D, acute renal failure. And the answer is cancer of bladder. The most common clinical sign of bladder cancer is painless groin hematuria, gross hematuria. Blood in the urine can be seen easily. The most effective way of preventing tetanus is option A, surgical debridement and toilet, option C, hyperbaric oxygen, option C, antibiotics, and option D, TT. And the correct answer is option D, TT. Immunization is the only effective prevention of tetanus. Tetanus toxoid is an effective, safe, stable, and inexpensive vaccine that can be used to all ages, to pregnant women and to immunocompromised individuals also. The following are the sinuses areas except which one? The options are option A, frontal, option B, maxillary, option C, ethmoid, and option D, cranial. And the correct answer is option D, cranial. Sinuses are the hollow space in the skull and the face bones around your nose. There are 4 pair of sinuses. They are named after the bones they are located in. The 4 sinuses areas are, first one, the maxillary sinuses, frontal sinuses, ethmoid sinuses, and sphenoid sinuses. Potts fracture is a fracture of option A, tibia, option B, radius, option C, fibula, and option D, ulna. And the correct answer is option C, fibula. Potts fracture, it is a common term for bimalleolar fracture. In the Potts fracture, the fibula is fractured above the interdistal tibialofibular syndesmosis. The deltoid ligament is ruptured and the talus is subluxed laterally. You can see in the diagram. So the Potts fracture is a fracture of fibula. Pink frothy sputum is a clinical sign of option A, myocardial infarction, option B, angina pectoris, option C, pulmonary edema, and option D, cardiac arrhythmia. Pink frothy edema is a clinical sign of pulmonary edema. The most common symptom of pulmonary edema is difficulty breathing, but it may include other symptoms such as coughing up blood, classically seen as pink frothy sputum, excessive sweating, anxiety, and pale skin. Which of the following drug is to be infused fast? Option A, aminophylline, option C, B, mannitol, option C, dopamine, and option D, potassium chloride. And the correct answer is option B, mannitol. One author recommends a test dose of 12.5 to 25 grams of IV infusion mannitol, that is 20 to 25%, should be given in 3 to 5 minutes. A balanced 50 grams is to be infused over 1 hour, and 5% continuous IV infusion at a rate of sufficient to maintain urine output at 150 to 500 ml per hour. So about 20 to 25% should be infused in 3 to 5 minutes, and remaining 50% in 1 hour. Oral thrush is caused by. The options are A. Neisseria gonorrhea, B. Candida albicans, C. entamoeba, and D. varicella. And the correct answer is option B, Candida albicans. The thrush oropharyngeal candidiasis is a medical condition in which a yeast-like fungus called Candida albicans overgrows in the mouth and throat. Which is the biggest cell in the body? The options are A. nerve cells, B. cardiac cells, C. renal cells, and D. ovum. And the answer is option D, ovum. The smallest cell is the sperm cell, and the largest cell is ovum in the human body. When positioning a patient in preparation for surgery, the nurse understood that injury to the patient is most likely to occur as a result of. Options are A. incorrect musculoskeletal alignment, B. loss of perception of pain or pressure, C. pooling of blood in the peripheral vessels, and D. disregard the patient needs for modesty. And the correct answer is option A, incorrect musculoskeletal alignment. Rationale. Whatever position is required for the procedure, greater care is taken to prevent injury to the patient, because anesthesia blocks the sensory nerve impulses. The patient does not feel pain or discomfort or sense stress placed on the nerves, muscles, bones, and skin. Improper positioning can result in the muscle strain, joint damage, pressure ulcers, nerve damage, and other untoward effects. So, a nurse should see and place the correct position. Referred pain from uteric colic is felt in the groin due to the involvement of following nerve. The options are option A, subcostal, option B, iliohypoglossal, option C, ilioinguinal, and option D, genitofemoral. And the answer is option D, genitofemoral nerve involvement. For effective sterilization in the autoclave, the temperature should be. The options are A, 115 degrees Fahrenheit, option B, 115 degrees centigrade, option C, 121 degrees Fahrenheit, and option D, 121 degrees centigrade. And the correct answer is option D, 121 degrees centigrade. To be effective, the autoclave must reach and maintain a temperature of 121 degrees centigrade for at least 30 minutes by using saturated steam under at least 15 pixels of pressure. Invasion of the body by pathogenic organisms. Option A is inflammation, B, infection, C, sepsis, and D, carrier. And the answer is option B, infection. An infection is the invasion and multiplication of pathogenic microbes in an individual or population. Disease is when the infection causes damage to the individual's vital organs or system. Anterior cruciate ligament prevents. Option A, anterior dislocation of tibia. Option B, posterior dislocation of tibia. Option C, anterior dislocation of femur. And option D, posterior dislocation of femur. And the answer is anterior dislocation of tibia. Anterior cruciate ligament is one of the 4 main ligaments of the knee. It provides 85% of the restraining force to anterior tibial displacement at 30 degrees and 90 degrees of knee flexion. The anterior cruciate ligament is the most injured ligament of the 4 located in the knee. A 38 degrees old patient, vital signs at 8 am are axillary temperature 99.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37.6 degrees centigrade, and the pulse rate is 80, the respiratory rate is 30. Which finding should be reported? And the options are A, respiratory rate only, B, temperature only, C, pulse rate and temperature, and option D, temperature and respiratory rate. And the correct answer is option D, temperature and respiratory rate. The normal range for temperature, pulse and respiration: blood pressure 90 to 60 mm of Hg to 120 by 80 mm of Hg, breathing 12 to 18 breaths per minute, pulse 60 to 100 beats per minute, and temperature is 97.8 degrees Fahrenheit to 99.1 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 36.5 degrees centigrade to 37.3 centigrade, and the average is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 degrees centigrade. I think this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please press like button, comment in the comment section, share this video, and then subscribe to my channel. Once you subscribe, it will get bell icon. You please get on that bell icon also for recent notifications. Thank you.